Well, happy Thursday, everybody. There it is. I'm going to see if we can't... Oh, look at that. Fixed wire. Now, I'm not going to take any credit for that because that was Mr. Rob Grassing's handiwork soldering that back together. So, the beta should be flyable here in the next couple minutes. And just to ensure that it is, I got a little delivery today. Put that in there. And there they are, guys. Brand new 4-pack, ready to go. No more motor issues. Well, I know I'm going to sound like a broken record, but it kind of is what it is. So, as always, great big thank you to Paris Junction Hobbies and Beta FPV. Time for some whoop action. Cheers, guys.